How to add multiple cities in Apple Weather. Here's how to add multiple cities in the Apple Weather app. First, open the weather on your iPhone. Tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view your saved locations. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the city you want to add. When the city appears in the search results, tap on it to view the forecast. Now, tap the Add button in the top right corner to save that city to your list. To add another city, tap the search bar again, enter a different city, select it from the results, and tap Add. Repeat these steps for as many cities as you'd like to track. Once you're finished, tap the list icon anytime to quickly switch between your saved locations and view their weather forecasts. And that's it! You've successfully added multiple cities to the Apple Weather app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.